I created my NSFW account on Twitter back in June 2024. Within a month, I received a message from a sponsor. Unbelievable, right? The sponsor, who goes by the marketing name Lorian, sells adult toys in America. She offered me a collaboration to promote her products and services. Landing a sponsor within a month. That's just crazy. I doubt any other platform besides X, formerly Twitter, could deliver results like this. Twitter is currently the #1 news app in the USA and the most trending news app in India. To me, Twitter seems like the most profitable platform for making money. That's why I use my earnings from YouTube to pay for my X Premium subscription. But if you search for Twitter NSFW marketing on YouTube, you won't find many videos on the topic. So I decided to share my entire experience after 7 months of exploring Twitter NSFW. It wasn't easy at the beginning. I started by creating an account called NSFW Ads. From day one, I began commenting on other posts to gain attention. After a few days, Twitter started warning me, logging me out, and asking for account authentication. Frustrated, I decided to stop commenting and tried a new strategy to gain views and engagement. My idea was to post leaked videos of popular social media influencers to boost my reach quickly. And guess what? It worked! I was thrilled and had big plans to generate multiple income streams from this account. But one evening, I couldn't access my account. It was suspended. Despite having a premium subscription, I lost my money, time, and effort. All of it went down the drain. Determined, I created a new account called NSFW Point, the one I showed you earlier. This time, I was extremely cautious. I avoided commenting altogether and focused on reposting videos from other users. But again, I started facing the same issue. Twitter kept logging me out and asking for account authentication. I wasn't breaking any rules. I was simply reposting others' NSFW content. Thinking it was just a glitch, I increased the frequency of my reposts, sharing several videos a day. However, the problem persisted. So, I switched tactics and began downloading popular NSFW videos and uploading them myself. Within a month, I received that sponsor request. The sponsor wanted me to promote their services. Although I was happy with my slow but steady growth, I told them I'd start promotions once I reached 10,000 followers. They were okay with waiting. Things were going smoothly until they weren't. Suddenly, my account was suspended again. 6 months of hard work, premium subscription fees, and endless effort were wasted. I couldn't make a single penny and my internet bills piled up. The frustration drove me to find out what went wrong. I searched YouTube, read articles, and spent hours looking for answers. But this issue was so new and under-discussed that I found no clear explanation. With no other option, I began analyzing other successful NSFW Twitter accounts. I meticulously documented my findings in an Excel sheet, comparing patterns and similarities between accounts. That sheet became the answer to all my questions. And now, I'm sharing those insights with you and everything I discovered. Take the account JavSky0. In its description, it links to another account named MoodVLXX2, which then connects to TushiMoodX. All these accounts are interconnected, forming a network, and each works under a specific group or community. You're seeing that group now on your screen. If we go to the About section of this group, we can see the moderators here. Carefully check all the IDs, and you'll notice that their descriptions are almost identical. It's obvious that all the IDs were created by the same person or agency. Let's get into why I'm calling this an agency and why this is important. You can see 6 admins and moderators listed in this group, but it doesn't end here. There are about 50 IDs in my Excel sheet, and most of them feature the group with 31 at the end of their links, highlighted in blue. Handling so many IDs is not possible for one individual, and there may be many more IDs under the same umbrella. It's clear that a large group or agency is possibly managing all these accounts smoothly. Here's the most interesting part. Multiple accounts post the exact same videos at the exact same time. This synchronization suggests a high level of coordination, something individual users can't achieve without automation or a team. All these accounts are using premium subscriptions and investing a significant amount of time and resources to maintain them. You can imagine the substantial investment involved and the potential profits they are targeting. After analyzing 50 accounts, I discovered a striking pattern. As you can see from the Excel sheet, these accounts are several years old. And after all this analysis, the conclusion I reached is older accounts can repost NSFW videos up to 15 times a day without an immediate ban. The algorithm doesn't target them as heavily. However, new accounts face a high risk of being banned for sharing NSFW content and may also be logged out frequently for posting too often compared to older accounts. Therefore, older accounts are significantly safer for sharing NSFW content. Does this mean older accounts are immune to bans? Not at all. About 20 to 25% of the accounts I analyzed, marked with red lines in my Excel sheet, were suspended despite being 15 years old. So, what's the solution? The safest approach is to avoid sharing fully explicit content. Instead, focus on seductive, partially revealing posts while steering clear of nudity. Many accounts follow this strategy successfully. For instance, this account promotes an OnlyFans creator named Sophie Rain, and she comments on the post from her verified ID. It's clear that these Twitter users charge for promotions earning good money. OnlyFans generated $6.63 billion in revenue in 2023. There are many creators but not enough promoters to market them. So, the earlier you jump into this, the more you'll earn. Now, the question is, how can I get old Twitter accounts? There are some platforms that provide services for buying and selling Twitter accounts. However, there are some scam sites. So, make sure to go through my affiliate link so I can earn a small commission while directing you to the right site. The first site is FameSwap, where an account with about 10,000 followers costs around $100. The second site is AxeMarket, which offers 3 types of Twitter accounts. SoftReg accounts are typically registered manually or through automated tools, often used for creating bots or bulk actions. Aged accounts were created a few years ago and are useful for businesses or individuals aiming to avoid suspicion when engaging in promotional activities. We need to search for our desired accounts in this section. Boosted accounts already have a certain number of followers and may also be several years old. On AxeMarket, you can buy an account from 2009 for as little as $1.67. Both of these sites offer good Twitter accounts depending on your needs. However, keep in mind that scams are still a possibility. That's why I recommend buying cheaper accounts from AxeMarket, so if something goes wrong, the financial loss won't be significant. Now, the last question is, what am I doing after losing my money and time on these NSFW Twitter accounts? Nobody really shares their plans, but I decided to share mine since you all chose to watch this video until the end. After losing 2 accounts, I've decided to take a completely different approach. My new account focuses on topics like relationships, motivation, career tips, and dark psychology for men. Over time, I plan to feature OnlyFans creators and monetize my account through safer methods. If you'd like to see my progress, you can find me by searching for my Twitter ID. And if you're a content creator looking to improve your video quality but are tired of using stock photos and videos, this video will help you find copyright-free editing resources for images, videos, music, and more.